Welcome to Alicante, a Mediterranean city where history, sea, and culture meet. The colorful mosaic walkway of the Esplanada de España stretches along the waterfront. Lined with palm trees, it's a favorite spot for both locals and visitors. High above the city stands Castillo de Santa Bárbara. Built over 1,000 years ago, it has been controlled by the Moors, Christians, and even pirates. From here, the views stretch across the whole Costa Blanca. Just steps from the city center is Playa del Postiguet, a golden sandy beach framed by palm trees and overlooked by the castle above, a favorite spot for both locals and visitors. At the foot of the castle lies Alicante's busy port. Once a hub for trade and defense, today it's a lively marina filled with restaurants, shops, and yachts. The colorful Barrio de Santa Cruz sits on the slopes of Mount Benacantile. Its narrow streets, painted houses, and flower-filled balconies make it one of the most picturesque corners of Alicante. ancient fortress to the bustling port. From sun-soaked beaches to charming old neighborhoods, Alicante shows us the true spirit of the Mediterranean.